In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate standard deviation using the analytics pane in Tableau. First, you'll want to make sure you have the Tableau public app open. Once you've got that running, navigate to your worksheet where you want to perform this analysis. Begin by dragging the last review field over to the columns area. Once there, change it to represent data by the month and ensure it's set to continuous data. This will help smooth out your time series analysis. Next, take the price field and drag it to the rows section of your worksheet. Initially, it might display as the sum of prices, but for our purposes, you'll need to change this to display the average price instead. After configuring the price field, bring the room type field into the rows area as well. Adding this will allow you to segment your data by different room types, which can help highlight trends. With your core data setup completed, it's time to move to the analytics pane. This pane holds various statistical tools perfect for aiding your analysis. Drag a reference line into the pane, specifically placing it under the average price in the rows section. This reference line will give you immediate visual feedback on your average values. Following that, you'll want to drag the distribution band to the pane. This option offers a more comprehensive view that includes variation within your data. At this point, click on the field labeled Value in the pop-up menu and select Standard Deviation. This tells Tableau that you're interested in understanding how your data points deviate from the mean, a key aspect of statistical analysis. While the first approach is straightforward, you might be interested in customized calculations. If so, let's create a calculated field. Head to the Analysis menu and choose to create a new calculated field. Name this field Windows Average, enter your query, and click OK. Repeat these steps to create another calculated field, which we'll name Windows Standard Deviation. Once you have those fields ready, you'll need to set up boundaries. Create yet another calculated field and name it Upper Limit. Input your query and proceed to click OK. Do the same for your lower limit calculated field. After creating the limit fields, drag the lower limit to your rows and set it as a dual axis. Following suit, drag the upper limit onto the same axis as your lower limit. Complete this by dragging your Windows Average to the bottom axis. Finally, right-click on the axis and choose Synchronize Axis to ensure your data points align correctly. And there you have it, the setup that uses standard deviation to give you a richer perspective on your data using Tableau. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it and explore other features within Tableau.